How to gift or send items and gems on Brawl Star. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can send or gift items and gems on Brawl Star, unfortunately as of today you cannot directly gift items or gems in Brawl Star. So is there any alternative ways to do so? The answer is yes, there are a couple of indirect ways to help a friend. Now starting off, what you can do is club donations. You can contribute to your club donation to help everyone including your friend. In the matches, you can work together by invitation. By this way, when you achieve victory, you'll be earning rewards together. You can strategize and provide advice to each other to improve the gameplay and purchase and earn rewards. Also, consider buying a gift card from the App Store. You can allow your friend to use the gift card, or you can also share or gift the gift card to your friend. So why cannot we provide some of the direct ways to gift an item? This is because it can completely disrupt the game's economy. It is also not a fair play as it imbalances between players if gifting was unrestricted. It may also result in scam. So those are why you are not able to directly gift items. Hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.